Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to Blood, Sweat and Tears MV by BTS. Yeah, this MV was from their Wings album. So I'm going to see how it is. So let's start reacting to this. Caption. Okay. Logo. So they're just walking in a museum or something. Okay, that's Jimin and did he get slapped on his head? Really? Why is he in cycle sugar? They have nice clothes. I'm liking the clothes. And maybe they have this no hole in view, but no. These kind of things are Hobie is holding that in opera or something. It's going to be dramatic. Let's see. The scene itself is dramatic. Okay, it's Jin. Jin is the main character in this. Yeah, I know that much. Yeah. He's looking really good, huh? Maybe it's because blonde Jin. Come on. Okay. See, the music is like opera music. Okay. Okay, he's looking at this painting. Okay. Chandeliers, huh? But why is the chandelier like on the floor? Why? Like dramatic purposes. Okay. Okay. The transition between them sitting around on like being dramatic and no, I'm saying BTS is looking pretty great with that pose. It was a poster moment, and then suddenly the transition happened to this with like that and Jimin doing that. Okay. Now she's okay. What is this? Oh my god. This is something else. The dance movements were itself pretty it was pretty good to look at. And then suddenly JK, I think it's JK, is like totally suspended in air. How did he do that? It must be really difficult, but it is looking really good. It's pretty dramatic. Okay. The musical beats, the way it went up, I just okay, I'm just loving this. And then Jimin is like this. Okay, the pose itself is something else. Okay, this guy, oh god, JK. What is actually JK? Is it a lollipop or something? What's with them and lollipops? Okay. And Jimin, the dance, oh my god, he's in the center and he's looking crazy good. I mean, come on, wardrobe choices are crazy in this. It's getting better and better as it is going, really. And now Sugar is there, okay. But the lyrics are also pretty. What is this actually? But okay. Okay. I'm partial towards Sugar with black hair. I mean, he looks crazy. Everybody's looking really good in this, and the voice, this voice of Sugar when he's saying this green light which is coming, the effects of this song is crazy, really. Okay, now it's Namjoon. Is he the bad guy in this? But he's looking good though. Sweet is the same. Oh, what's sweet but bitter. Okay, everything else is better, but you are sweeter in the basil. Okay, okay. Kiss me. It's okay. Oh my god, what? Okay, okay. J-Hope is looking really good there. I mean, I don't know why. Just everybody's looking good, but in this scene he looked nice. Okay. Lots of sculptures are behind them. All the musical and museum kind of thing. It's pretty It's visually appealing, really, really visually appealing. I have seen this kind of appeal in, I think, Black Swan. Yeah, but this one is also pretty good. Okay, what that move? Oh my god, this is crazy. And Tay in the middle with blonde hair and blue eyes. This guy is an anime character, but I love seeing him. Okay. I think it's Tay too again. This is a very sensual song. Okay, nice. What's with this? My god, was that Wax which he did that? What, it's going to be different. Okay. I want it more. Okay. That's what I also want to listen to this song again and again. Oh my god. And it's sounding money. Okay, nice. Did you guys see that? They went like this and then they came back. That is pretty difficult to do, I think. It's giving a good, the choreography was good in here. What is this scene in which he's doing that? What, does this have any significance? He's drinking something. Gin, I think it's gin only. They're all sitting there and all. But it transitions again, is going there. Okay. Back and forth. His hair looks pink here. Maybe because the background is pink. How can he have pink hair? I think he had blonde hair before. What? Okay, more. Okay, J-Hope's voice in this song is good. The vocals and the lines, my god, intense. What I can say about it. Oh my god, Sugar's voice and his lyrics, my god, this song is for Sugar. God, loving his parts. Whiskey. Okay, what suddenly vapors or something? I think it's totally smoky and all. The transitions are so fast and so well done in this. Really, back and forth, really good. Oh god, Jaemin did it again. I think he practices all these moves, like especially this jacket move of his. Like he practices this and does this, because there's no way he does it so smoothly. I mean, come on. Like it's back to now. He did that and then he went back and then Tay came so smooth. The formations done so well. And then suddenly this. Okay. What is this, Sugar or something? What is he doing? Okay, he just jumped off. Tay just jumped off from there, from balcony. And then suddenly the filters change. It's like red, pink, money. J-Hope did that. I mean, that move, like really. Okay, in between transitions with those filters. Okay, nice. Okay. What is happening in this? It's really hard to comprehend. Really. Okay, what the hell? He just. Okay. And then JK, really, he's like suspended in this, something falling or what, but what, it's looking like a demonic thing because it is kind of that kind of song. But okay, Kill Me Gently, really? Okay. I think it's a big problematic contrast between the bad things and the good things, and which did he choose in actuality. Like Jin is the main character, he has to choose which Is he good or bad? Okay. And then it's Jimin. Blindfolded, okay. That's Jin. My god. Like really. This song and the vocals of Jin is crazy right now. His part, like, and Jimin with blindfold and trying to get away from something which is tying him up. Okay. And it's still too sweet for him. It's really hard to choose, I guess. And I'm not able to hear what it is now. It's Balloon. Tempter. Okay. Okay.
With which I no longer want to have anything to do.
Okay, so there is an evil world and a good world. Okay. He doesn't want to be a part of the evil world. Which did he choose? Okay, this is really dramatic, and I think that's Sugar. Yeah, Piano and Sugar. I mean, come on. What else? The dramatics is like Adam's Family. Okay, I always do weird comparisons, but this is like that. That song, piano voice. Come on, just it happens in horror movies, but it is well done though. So they're running away from that museum, and Jimin is like, they're trying to drag him. Just, you're not fast enough. Okay, I'm not going to joke now. Okay, that's stay. And Jin is being, I think he's tempted to stay. Is that it? Okay. God, this is so dramatic. What is this? Something is covered. It's going to be revealed, I guess, in the end. Okay. He's like, oh, that's not really cute thing to do, but okay, it's dramatic right now, so it can't be cute. Okay. What is this? Okay, he's going towards winged statue, a winged statue. Is he going to choose between evil and a good thing? Maybe he's making the decision now. Okay. Okay, what? I'm not getting this one. So, is he gonna kiss him or something? No, he can't do that. Can he? Okay. Okay, he's doing that again. Okay, what the stay, and he has his back is having, I think the wings are taken off or something. So he's the bad person here. What? Because he smiles like this. What? Like what? Why is he smiling? What happened? Did it? Suddenly it's crying. Lots of filters again, and the song started again. I thought it was over for a minute. Is there final solos they're showing? Okay. What was that written? I think it was German. I don't know what it was. Look. I love this choreography moves. My God. Okay, it's over. What was those things which is coming here? What? Tears? Colored tears? Broken statues? What? Okay, it's Jin now. What is happening? Okay, he's also crying. So I think he chose the evil or something. What is this? I'm not getting it. If you guys have any fan theories, please put it on the comment section, so you will tell me what it actually was. It's very hard to me to comprehend what that was, but it was pretty great. Okay, so if you like my reaction, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications when I put new video. With